Alright guys, so I'm making my way down to the French Quarter. I'm kind of just walking around aimlessly. Didn't want to ask for directions, didn't want to follow GPS. I'm just trying to get a feel for the city myself. So just follow me along, I guess. We'll see where we end up. Alright guys, so I made my way down pretty much Canal Street. I'm almost to the riverfront now. So I'm gonna get down here and explore. I'm gonna see if I can't run into Jackson Square. That's kind of what I'm looking for. So see if I'm headed in the right direction. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I think I found it. I'm almost to Jackson Square. I'll turn the camera around, you'll be able to see it right up ahead. It's been a lot of walking. I didn't realize it's mad early that I'm out here. It's about 9:35. So the streets aren't as busy as normal, which is kind of cool, I guess. It gives me time to get my bearings, figure the place out a little bit before it gets too crazy. But if you look ahead, it's Jackson Square. You can see it better here. Jackson Square, folks. Starting to liven up a little bit out here. Let's take a stroll. Alright guys, made it to Cafe Du Monde. It's mad busy in there, so I just grabbed a couple beignets and a small coffee to go. So I'm sitting right outside. Got my beignets, as you can see. Ooh, we're gonna try them out, see how good they are. You can see it's still kind of busy over there, still busy in there. So let's try them out. So I was told you have to kind of eat them and like hold your breath so that you don't get all the sugar in. So let's see. Airy, doughy, delicious. This is so messy. I know I look a mess, but it's so good. Excuse me guys, it's delicious. You gotta come to Cafe Du Monde for the beignets. So I made my way to the French market, guys. It's starting to rain, so see if I can't find somewhere inside real nice to have a drink and maybe a bite. I just left Cafe Du Monde. The coffee, the cafe au lait was delicious along with the beignets. So I just had to sample that. Let's try and see if we can't find some good Creole food. guys, so we're still on a mission looking for that restaurant. We'll see. The rain is kind of slowed up, so that's a good thing. That's definitely a plus. Check out the Tricentennial NOLA sign. Alright guys, so here we are at Perino's Boiling Pot with my buddy Jace.
Hi.
Right?
Yeah.
This is one of his favorite spots. We got the crab boil going on. He's intrigued about being on YouTube. He's excited, right?
Yeah.
Right? And this
It's
is
my first time being on YouTube.
All right. And this is a good place for us to eat?
Yeah?
Good place, you sure?
Now I'm gonna go on my spot.
You're gonna go on your spot? Okay. But this is the food so far, guys. We got blue crab, shrimp, potatoes, corn.
Hey guys, look behind y'all. There's games. There's games.
It's games.
But this one's out of order. This one's out of order. Can't get
Alright guys, so we're at the pot boil. What's it, Perino? Perino's pot boil, boiling pot. The oysters are legit, the charbroiled oysters. Legit. Blue crabs. Potatoes.
Gumbo.
Oh, can't forget the gumbo. Good deals. Delicious food, man. I'm eating New Orleans style with a local, my girl. All right, guys, we're on our way to Acme Oyster House or Acme Oyster Bar, whatever it may be called. We're on the way. Just left Good Friends Bar. Now we're walking down. I think this is St. Anne's, headed to Acme Oyster Bar. Hopefully it's not too busy. We can get a nice spot at the bar, have some good charbroiled oysters. You know, that's what we're here to do in New Orleans. All right, guys, so we're here in line at Acme Oyster House. Gonna see if I can't get a spot at the bar. I'm only here for the charbroiled oysters, so we'll see what happens. We should be able to get in quick. More Bourbon Street French Quarter action. Just left Acme Oyster House. Now we're walking through. Oh shit, what is that? New Orleans Legend Park. I'm not familiar with what that is. I should probably turn around and go back. First one the whole trip. Frozen one. It's pretty good.